أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is work hard in silence and let success makes the noise. While thinking about working hard in order to achieve our goals, there's always a question that comes up in our mind, and that is what pushes people to work so hard? Like day and night, do they never sleep? How come they are so determined about their life and goals? Even if intelligence is a major requirement, the first thing that urges many individuals to work hard is hunger. When this hunger pushes you to earn more, get more, do more, it makes a person become the best at what they do. Everybody has that hunger, but it can be lifeless for some people. The reason for that is they are afraid to fail. That's why they never try. It has been a human nature since ages to protect yourself from the fear of failure by lowering your expectation of winning. Some people accept their fate and move on while others decide that they had enough. Therefore, it is time to start working hard in silence and admire yourself with positive compliments. Next, a clear vision is the key to work hard. You are different and you want to be different from everyone else. In order to work hard, you need a clear vision of what you want and where you are going. You have to focus on yourself and try to convince yourself instead of people who don't believe in you. It feels kind of lonely when you work in silence, but remember, you eat better. There are times and days where you feel depressed, so it's better not to think, but to stand up and put all your energy to work hard. To try to read and watch motivational books, videos, and speeches to that you will always learn something new. There would be times when you have to get really creative. You should focus on your vision and then try to make a dollar into two by investing it. Practice makes man perfect. You can gain knowledge and start working by going to a conference, reading a book, having a conversation with great people. But what perfection lies in is the acquisition on the ideas. You can't be able to work unless you are willing to stand up and play your role. Do the practice, put the effort, invest the time, and work hard. Some people who love reading books, attending seminars, doing online training, but nothing changes in their life. And they don't get it why it doesn't work and why their lives don't improve or why their thinking still the same. If you look at any great entrepreneur, leader, or a performer, there's only one thing that makes them portentous, and that is their strength and courage to hold on. It is their hunger, determination, and perseverance to practice that makes them who they are. Should keep in mind that ideas don't work if you don't execute them. You have to work hard. Successful people are willing to make all these sacrifice. Next, no pain, no gain. You have to be obsessive, passionate to know the root of the word suffering. Therefore, you to have the will to suffer and work hard to achieve your vision. You have to feel the pain to reach the top and become one of the best in the whole world. In order to get to a place called success, and as soon as you reach to that area, Let your victory speak for itself. You have to shift your mindset from focusing on the growth and goals of what you want to achieve. If you want to accomplish what you desire, you have to work hard every day. Next, practice repeatedly. There will be times that things and situations will knock you down or as reasons that will make you unhappy. But there will be only one reason that will bounce you back. We all have them in our life, but it is how you deal with what is happening. Hard work and repeat hard is if you want to increase your confidence. You can't have any secret formula other than practicing the same thing over and over again until you become perfect. Work hard in silence and let the success makes the noise. Have you ever got belt after the first adversity? Most people have a problem with continuity, and most of them get belt after a little failure, and there is nothing to be ashamed of. You have to practice and work hard. If you want to master it, you should care about it, and all that matter is how you should act like regarding today and your upcoming future. Always keep your why in your mind and work hard in silence and let success speak for itself. Always remember you can achieve, you will succeed, and you must not fail. So, this is our short lecture about work hard in silence and let success makes the noise. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.